Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Springtime is time to head outdoors, and for fans of GoPro, myself included, there's a great new addition to help you power, control, and grip the latest cameras. The Volta is a battery grip that does all of the above and also serves as a tripod and wired or wireless remote. VP Rick Loughery
Is we bundled together our light mod and we put our media mod on it as well. And we also sell it as the Hero 10 Black Creator Edition.
Under $600 for GoPro subscribers. The Volta price is good at $129, but subscribers get 30% off that too. The discounts and unlimited cloud storage included with a $50 a year subscription make it almost a no-brainer. Find more at GoPro.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.